Hi guys, this is going to be a different vlog in which I am going to test drive few used vehicles in this new used car showroom. And yes guys, now we have the Renault Duster 2017 model vehicle, 18 registered, RXS variant as you see. It has lovely diamond cut alloys. It has just clocked 26,000 kilometers. It is a single owner vehicle. No scratches. Vehicle looks lovely. No problems with the vehicle. Let's go for a test drive. About the interiors, we get this all black interiors with seat covers, touchscreen infotainment system. Seats look nice and comfortable. Gets a middle headrest too. Let's go for a short spin. So guys, we are on the Duster. Look at its pull. Its clutch is quite on the harder side, but the power, torque, everything is good. The braking is also very punchy. Suspensions are soft. Just a few noises heard in the suspension, but a very minute thing. And as you see, it's just clocked 26,000. A single owner vehicle. A lovely top end model Duster. The gearbox, as you see, it's very smooth and sleek. All Dusters have a smooth gearbox, so no problem with the gearbox. Horn sounds good. The only thing is the clutch is little bit on the stiffer side, but it's quite manageable. You can able to drive with ease and comfort. The vehicle costs just rupees 8.5 lakhs and it's quite negotiable. For a single owner top end model Duster 2017 model 18 register, I feel this is quite a reasonable price. We're taking a U-turn. So as you see, there is no problem with the steering. Once again, let it give the beans. Let's look at the torque, look at the power. There is no problem with the power of this vehicle. Power is good, brakes are good. Just few suspension noises as I said, and the clutch. The vehicle is only available at the new used cars Korattur 100 feet road. Few more additional tips. It has a good leather stitching. It has 2 airbags. And guess what? The owner is in abroad. The vehicle is sparingly used. It's a good buy. Don't miss it. Hi guys, and now we have the BMW's 320d 2011 model, the metallic blue color. Let us see the exteriors of this vehicle. The vehicle doesn't have any major damages or scratches, just very few minor scratches. As we see, this color is very vibrant, looks majestic and beautiful in this lovely 320d. And now about the interiors, we get a black finish here. The infotainment, it's an automatic. It gets leather seats. It's actually a beige finish. You get rear AC vents also. Space here. 3 headrests and a armrest. So yes guys, let's see the power of the 320d now. So I've pressed it fully. Just look at the pickup. The brakes are also good. As you see, the brakes are good. Suspension, I don't feel suspension has any troubles or problems. It is smooth, no sound. And once again, just look at the power of the vehicle. It has a very good power and a very good torque. As though I have not found any fault till now. The vehicle has clocked 1,48,000. It is a 2011 model. The price they are quoted for the vehicle is rupees 9 lakhs, a little bit negotiable. And so this is the mid variant, and once again on to the gas. Look at the power. There is a good torque. We have reached 100. Quite an impressive engine. I don't think so you'll get any other 320d for around 9 lakhs in this Chennai place. So hope you like this vehicle. If you have liked this vehicle, visit new used cars in Kolattur 100 feet main road to get this beauty right in your home park today. This is the mid variant. You don't get this heads up kind of infotainment system, but you get this infotainment system. You get climate control, 7-speed automatic gearbox. This is the cluster. You also get 6 airbags. Talking about the tires are also in a very good condition. Can be used when you take the vehicle. And yeah, this vehicle is a single owner maintained. Another fact about this vehicle is they have already paid the Pondicherry to Tamil Nadu registration tax for this vehicle. So the next owner who is going to buy this vehicle will automatically get a Tamil Nadu registration plate for this. So guys, we have the Hyundai Accent 2006 model. It's a second owner. It has clocked 79,000 kilometers. You see all four are new tires with alloys. This orange looks sporty. It is a company painted orange finish. Only a little bit of scratches in the vehicle, as you see, just minor scratches. Other than that, the vehicle looks very sporty. As you see, they have added an extra muffler. Let me show you the sound. As we heard, the sound was superb in this vehicle. Never expected such a sound. So this is about the vehicle. They are quoting rupees 2 lakhs for this vehicle. The FC and insurance has to be done, which the dealers would do it, which would cost around 7,500. Don't miss this superb deal, and let me show you the interiors of this vehicle. Another add-on is that you have a black roof, shark fin antenna. As we get inside the vehicle, new seat covers with black and orange touches, sporty gear knob, you have a JVC system. Vehicle looks neat, doesn't look like a 2006 model. You also get a sun visor at the rear, looks decent enough. Get an extra antenna. So let's drive the vehicle. Give the beans. The sound is amazing. The performance is good. The braking is good. No problems with the braking. Gear shifts are so sleek. Let's check the suspension. Suspension is good. No noises, no sounds. Very pure and soft suspension. Vehicle sounds really good. Performance is also good. Again, the power is good. The muffler sounds good. The gearbox is good and sleek. Suspension is good. The vehicle costs rupees 2 lakhs, negotiable. Second owner, clocked 79,000. Do visit again the new used cars to get this vehicle as soon as possible. Now we have the Volkswagen Vento 2012 model, a fancy number 1234. This is the Highline variant. As you see, you get the alloy wheels. It's a black color with the white interiors inside. Let me show you the interiors. These are the interiors of the vehicle. Gets a leather sort of treatment. Get a rear AC vent. This vehicle has clocked 75,000 kilometers, and the vehicle is a diesel variant. There are few scratches in the vehicle, but comes at an exciting price of rupees 4.5 lakhs, negotiable. We have the Vento diesel 2012 model. Clutch is on the harder side. The engine is good. No problems with the engine. Brakes are good. Let's check the suspension now, and the gearbox is on the stiffer side. The brakes are okay. Let's check the suspension. Suspension also is quite soft. No sounds, anything. I feel the pickup is little bit on the duller side, but the vehicle has power. So this is the power of the vehicle. The vehicle is too noisy. I think so all diesel Ventos are sounding like this. This vehicle has power, but a little bit stiff on the brakes. Brakes aren't too good. They're just adequate. So yeah, as I already told you, it's a 2012 model. It's clocked 75,000. Price quoting for this vehicle is 4,50,000.